Today, I hope to inspire you to take a quick yoga brain break anytime that you've been sitting too long or you just need a boost of energy. So the only thing you need is enough space that your arms can go all the way out to the side and up, that you can bend forward, and that the clothing that you're wearing through the shoulders and the arms has plenty of movement. All right, here we go, really quick. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna inhale our arms up, exhale to your right, inhaling up, exhale to your left, inhaling up. Go ahead and take your arms down. We're gonna do some shoulder rolls backwards. We're only gonna go backwards because we sit so much. All the sitting causes hunching. If you're playing video games, watching TV, driving in a car. So this is gonna help us actually counteract that action. Go ahead and take your hands behind you. We're gonna pull back our shoulders and we're going to pivot forward. You want to try to stay nice and level with your back. Pushing your arms up as far as you can, really firing up the triceps here. Legs are mostly straight. Go ahead and come back on up. We're going to go into chair pose. I know this sounds counterintuitive, but chair pose is actually one of the best poses because it fires up so many muscles in your body. All right, so go ahead and come into chair pose. Sitting here, holding it, pulling in the belly towards the spine, engaging the core. You want to hold this pose for a minimum of 30 seconds. If you can go a minute, that's even better. Make sure you're breathing through it. Excellent. That's it. Quick, but what a way to get your heart pumping, to boost your energy, and to help you tackle those tasks that you've got to complete today. See you next time. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification button.